What is going on YouTube, and we are back with another one. Alright guys, I'm coming at you with a couple of plays that will double up so you guys can get your positions ready. So I've got a jam-packed one for you this morning, so do hit that like button for me and join the movement by hitting that subscribe button. Alright, so before we get the show on the road and jump into the plays guys, let's chat about the markets. Now yesterday we received an almighty beatdown from the markets, especially to our hyper growth plays, a lot of them that we have within the portfolios. But as I say to you guys every day, stop worrying about the daily paper movements within your portfolios. It does not matter. You guys are not high frequency traders. When you guys are investors, all you need to do is ensure you're invested into quality plays. When the market turns, you are going to hit the jackpot. I want to let you guys know what the market is doing right now is it's weeding out the weak. That's why I say to you guys, you've got to develop that champion mindset so you guys can weather the storm in the market. Now, I've built several portfolios, been through several corrections and seen several volatility movements in the stock market. I'm telling you guys, if you stay invested into these quality plays and catch the dips, you are going to be successful. Now, some of you are confused as to why my amount invested is increasing. Guys, it's increasing because I'm making the most of the cheaper prices that are out there in the markets, ensuring I have my money invested, ready for the climb. So it really doesn't matter what the portfolios do today or tomorrow or next week, guys. It matters in a couple of weeks down the line when the market turns. That's when you're going to be in the money and reap the rewards from all the investing that you've been doing right now. So you guys need to transition over from the short-termist mindset into an investing mindset. That's going to build you guys wealth in the stock market. So we're going to kick things off with Grow Generation, ticker symbol GRWG. Guys, we're going to kick things off right with this play. This is a play I've been bringing to attention right throughout the week for very good reason. You guys know when I do that, that is a play that really does mean business. So I'm going to throw up on screen their financial results for you guys to see. When it comes to these financial results, you guys know there's three things we're looking for. That's increased revenues, good margins, because that's going to filter down to their profitability, but we're looking for good guidance on their next set of results, and especially if they increase those guidance numbers. So guys, I'm going to pinpoint one thing in their financial results, that is their guidance, and they've said that look, full year guidance for 2021 is going to be increased to 415 million to 430 million. Guys, this is super important because we are invested into these plays for their futures. And if their futures are looking bright, that stock price is going to increase. This is what I say to you guys. With Grow Generation, this is a play that's backed by superior management, focused, ambitious, driven, and leading this one to success. As I said to you guys in the last business update I gave you, they've made 8 acquisitions this year alone. Guys, there's not many other plays out there in the market that do it like Grow Generation are. Now, if you look at the stock price, yesterday you would see that came down around 12%. So they took the beat down in the markets. But this is where you see that discrepancy between the movement in the share price and how the business is performing. I say to you guys, underneath this dark cloud of panic that we're seeing out there in the market, there are plays hitting their business objectives month after month, and Grow Generation is one of those plays. You guys just need to ignore the noise in the market and take advantage of that cheaper stock price. That's why we loaded up on this play yesterday in anticipation of good results and a good future for this one. Now check this out. They're saying that they expect to reach over 60 garden centers this year. Guys, their previous target was 55. So as you can see, they're blowing through expectations. And very importantly, by 2023, they're looking to hit 100. So they're looking to almost double up from where they're at now by 2023. This is what I'm telling you guys. When you're investing into these plays that have superior growth potential, that is how you build wealth in these markets. And as I mentioned to you guys, if you go and check one of my last drops when I spoke about Grow Generation, I said I'm looking to have this play within the top 5 within my portfolio because this is a play that's going places. Our next play, that's Skillz, ticker symbol SKLZ. Now yesterday this one dropped through its support line in the mid-20s, sitting at 19.99. This is a play that will double up, so I do think it can hit that $40 mark. In fact, check me out on this one. So 52-week high on Skillz, that's $46. So this play not long ago was already double the value that it's at currently. You guys know I told you about that rubber band price movement in these growth plays. So when they drop down, that's like the rubber band stretching. When you let go, they bounce back up, and this one will see that price action once the market turns. Now, this current market volatility we're going through is getting some of you guys forgetting what you're even invested in. So I'm here to remind you, with Skillz, they're a software company. They develop predominantly mobile games, but they've got a gambling element to them because they've got that competitive element where the users, the gamers, can actually win prizes. So they're favored by the developers, favored by the gamers, and guys, that is just shown in their sticky customer base and very good results. We saw them crush earnings increasing almost 100%. Now going forward, they're set to increase around 60%. This is still exceptional growth rate because you guys know we target those growth plays that grow at least 30%. So this one's set for good things. They've got a USP within the market. Not many other companies are doing it like Skillz is doing it. So you guys should take comfort in the fact that you're investing into a unique business with huge growth opportunities. And that's not even to mention their NFL partnership, which is going to be a very lucrative deal, bringing hundreds of NFL themed games onto the platform and a ton of new gamers to go with. Now guys, when it comes to that stock price, the reason why we've seen that downwards pressure is not just due to the current market weakness, but also we know they've been hit by short seller attacks and they've done stock offerings as well. That's brought that stock price down. So it's not the business is still outperforming. So that's where you guys need to understand the difference between the two, stock price movement and business performance. We're investing into the business. You guys got to detach sometimes by the short-term price movements. Our next, that's Golden Nugget, ticker symbol GNOG. Now this is just another play that's been confusing investors by the price movement. Again here guys, you are investing into a company with real revenues, good management team, a growing market, and a strong product and platform. So guys, this is a quality play. Again, you guys just need to detach from that short-term price movement right now because it's not going to stay this price forever. Now, in their earnings report, they grew 50% and they're expecting another 50% growth this year. Those are solid growth rates, guys, in line with plays like DraftKings, MGM, and some other gaming gambling plays. Now, when it comes to these gaming gambling plays, the big benefit for investing into them is that marketplace growing as more states come online. So New York might come online and increase the revenue potential for plays like DraftKings, plays for Golden Nugget, and other states like Texas as well that are in the runnings to legalize gambling. So this is a solid investment. Guys, don't take your eye off the ball with this one. So make sure, as I say, you guys make the most of those cheaper prices in this play. Now guys, let's talk about setting expectations when you're investing. When you're jumping into plays like Growth Generation into Gnog, don't expect that play to just explode the very next day. The market is going through weakness right now, so you guys have to show some patience and some investing maturity. That's why I say nibble at these plays. You can grab some stock today, grab some stock in a couple of days time to see if you can grab that play at a slightly cheaper rate. But the important thing is that you're making the most of the cheaper prices right now. So when there is that turn in the market, you are going to hit those good returns. You guys don't want to be waiting on the sidelines right now and playing catch up when that stock is up 20-25% or more down the line. Now guys, there's a common theme with all the plays I've just shown you, which gives them good double up potential from where they're at. They've all performed very well in their last financials. They're all set to grow at a good rate going forward, and the market they're operating in is expanding. Now these are the kind of characteristics that we're looking out for in good investment candidates. Now a double up drop wouldn't be complete without touching on a crypto play, and I'm choosing Canon. That's ticker symbol CAN, currently standing at $17. Guys, this one's cooled off dramatically from their highs that we saw only a couple of days ago when Bitcoin's flying at around $60,000. Guys, we've since seen Bitcoin show some weakness, but as soon as Bitcoin starts to turn and show some momentum, a lot of these players are going to bounce back strong, and this is one of them. This is a crypto mining machine manufacturer, so they're not in competition with the mining plays. This is a play in this league of its own. That's why we've seen that stock price explode up when we saw the price of Bitcoin also exploding. No, crypto right now is down, but it's not out. So I do think we are going to see a rebound in the price of Bitcoin down the line. So this isn't one to pick up right now because Bitcoin is showing weakness, as I said. But as soon as we start to see Bitcoin picking up and showing some momentum, it's time to pull the trigger on a play like Canon. But it's important I put this one on your radar right now so that they're not forgotten, so you guys can enjoy the upside on this one by jumping in at the right time with me. Alright guys, but rock with the channel, you know what time it is. This comment comes from DA, says my portfolio is down 30%, starting to panic now. All my investments have been made with good DD and I believe in these companies, but all I see is red every day. So I appreciate you, thank you for sending this in. Now you touched on some good points that I want to cover off. So you said your portfolio is down 30%. A lot of people are in the same position right now with heavy paper losses in their portfolios, not actualized losses. You also mentioned that you're starting to panic, guys. This is something that we never want to do when it comes to the stock market. We don't want to panic. I always say to you guys, ensure you are detaching from your emotions. Guys, don't just listen to what I'm saying, do actually put this into practice. It's going to help you guys big time when it comes to investing into these markets and building wealth. This sounds like it's your first corrective move in the stock market. Now, for my seasoned investors, we've been through several corrections, several crashes in the stock market. The last time we saw a big move downwards in the stock market was last year when the pandemic hit, and it had a more severe impact on the portfolios than this current movement is. Guys, what I want you to do is go and check the stock price movement, go and check the S&P, go and check the NASDAQ, any other index, and check what happened afterwards, shortly after it bottomed out last year this time. Guys, we saw a big increase in that stock price, and all of those investors who had been catching the dips in the stocks at that point in time made very good money. Now guys, my parting note is this: the stock market has built many millionaires decades before us, so why do you guys now think the stock market's not going to build many more millionaires for decades to come? Guys, it's all about implementing the right strategy to hit success. The stock market's one of the most powerful tools to build wealth. You guys just need to stick to the blueprint. Alright guys, that wraps things up. Do hit the like button for me, helps the channel out. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button, join the movement. Also check out the link down below to the Patreon. You can join our team of investors over at the Discord and connect with like-minded individuals like you and I. So as I always say, check into the channel each and every day. Stock market's rapidly moving, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.